Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Doing Good and this is the cooking series, so let's get into it. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect Nigeria party jollof rice. You see that perfect sumptuous Owambé party jollof rice? I'm going to show you, but first let's get into my mise en place. This is all of my ingredients, everything I'm going to be using to get that perfect party jollof rice, that Nigerian style. This is what I'm going to be using, so let's get into it. This is my onions. I'm going to be using my onions because I'm making a large portion and it's firewood style. This is my pepper. I can see that. Then this is my roughly blended pepper. I love adding this into my jollof rice. It gives you that local taste, that very nice delicious party, you understand? This is my tomato paste. All you need, just need to, you don't need so much. Then this is my seasoning. And the star ingredients, this is my meat stock. This is my meat stock. This is meat water, omiron. This is the star ingredient for me. If this is not delicious, your jollof rice is not going to come out well. This has to bang. You can't make party jollof rice without your meat stock. I'm telling you, this has to bang. It has to be very delicious. So this is it. Look at it. It's so beautiful. Like, I love it. I love it. It looks so good. Like, it's very delicious, actually, very delicious. Anyways, let's get into it. But trust me, you are going to be getting perfect Nigeria party jollof rice. Emphasis on the party, because that is what we all love, that party jollof rice. You know, I can already taste it. So let's get into it. So I forgot to show you guys the rice that I'm working with. You can see very good rice, and I also sell rice, by the way. So you're going to start first is that you're going to pour your oil. You understand? So you have to follow this method very well. You're going to pour your oil. You can put bay leaves if you want. But you can see the rice I showed you. So you have to manage. You have to use little oil, not everything. This is okay. So one thing I like to do, I like to add it first. I like to add my spices. Yes, I like to add it because it just changes the taste of the roll. So this is my tomato paste. Show me tomato paste. You have to scoop everything out. So what I've added now is my Maggi. Yes, the Maggi and the tomato paste. I want my oil to have that flavor. That's why I added my Maggi. Then I'm going to add my salt. So this is salt. I'm adding salt. So just little. I don't know if you can see my hands. See, you can see it's already frying. Come closer, you show them up close. You can see that it's frying. Perfect. Now it's time for me to add my onion. I'm going to add my onions inside so that we can also release the onion juice inside. So don't forget, I added my Maggi and salt into my oil first, so that it will give it that flavor, you understand? Me, I'm an onion person. I love onions a lot. But trust me, this onion, you will not miss it in the jollof by the time we are done. Now you can see how hard it is. When it cooks a bit now, it's going to release the juice. But this is okay. Yeah, so I'm adding my roughly blended pepper inside. I like to add it into my jollof. And I'll leave the remaining. It's okay. Now my pepper goes inside. You can come to this side. So that's the pepper inside. So the next thing I'm adding is the meat water. This is the meat stock. That's the next thing I'm adding, and this is the star ingredients. Yes. This is all the water you need. Trust me, you don't need water. This is all the water you need. You basically drink it. So I'm going to cover it, but just halfly because I don't want. No, show me. I'm going to cover it, but I don't want it to cook. I just want it to simmer up. That's what I just want, for it to simmer up. I don't want it to cook. I don't want the water to cook. So I'm going to cover it halfway so that it will just simmer up. Then I'll add my rice, because I want all these things to melt before adding the rice. But you can see there's no water. I'm not adding water. The meat stock is my water. It's everything for me. So this is what I'm saying. I'm just going to cover it. Once you just simmer up, you understand? Then once you simmer up, I'm going to show you. I'll add my rice and remove all of it, all the wood, so that it will just steam. You don't need light again. So let's keep watching. I'm always forgetting my time. Just going to add thyme. Although I don't really like thyme too much, so just small is okay. Then I'm going to add these onions too. You can see the onions just. Okay. It's okay like that. This is the rice we are working with. So yeah, I just wash my rice. I don't parboil. I don't. So this is the rice we are working with. So if you don't want to use that, you can also use your wooden spoon. But this wooden spoon, that's if the pot is bigger. This pot is not so big, so I can use this. So this is for you to get the perfect Owambé party jollof rice. So I'm just going to stir and taste for the last time. Then I'm going to cover it with rice bag, because I sell rice, so rice bag is not an issue for me. So I'm going to cover it with rice bag. So your rice bag is very important. When your rice finishing us, keep your rice bag for things like this. That's all you need. Just cover it and use the rice bag to cover it. I'm going to show you as I'm talking. Then put your cover on it. Then remove all the wood, because all you need now is just steam. You don't need fire again. You can even go and sleep and your jollof rice will cook perfectly. Perfect. So if this rice was above the water, I'm going to add little water. You understand? Because come closer, please. See, the water must cover the rice. That's what I want to show you. The water must cover it, but you should be seeing the rice, but let the water be the one that will cover it. But if the rice was like this, I'm going to add water because I want everything to be like, to cover it. Do you understand? I'm already sweating. Oh, this work no easy. Oh, please subscribe. Oh, subscribe. Oh, subscribe. Oh, subscribe. Oh, this work no easy at all. But this is the perfect party jollof. This rice has been here for I think about 30 minutes, so perfect. Now let us see it. Ooh, can you see? Can you see it? Wow. Yeah, now we want to turn it. And this is local rice. Oh yeah, go closer, up close, up close, up close, up close. This is the delicious. This is that party jollof rice. Owambé. When the food makes you dance. Wow. I'll finish this video. So please do well to subscribe, do well to comment, do well to like. Let me know what more you want to see. If you want me to do it again, maybe on the gas, normal gas, I will show you. If you want to fire, it's the same style, the same thing, I'll show you. So let me know what more you want to see, and if you enjoyed the video, please support me. Support me. See me, I dey sweat on top party jollof rice, so firewood style, easy. All right, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. God bless you all, and I'll see you in my next one. Au revoir. Bye.